Hello, do you regularly suffer from lower back pain? Like every day you suffer from some serious pain, or maybe 2 or 3 times per week, and you try everything, you regularly go for massage, physiotherapy, manual therapy, and that actually helps you, but it only helps you like for a little while, like 1 day, 2 days later, there is the pain again, and it goes on and on and on. Every time that pain keeps coming back, then this video is for you, because first of all I will explain you quickly why that pain keeps coming back every time. Second of all, I explain you about the QRS home therapy system from Germany, which is going to help you to reduce your pain in a matter of minutes without side effects. But more important, in this video I want to explain why QRS is really the only system in the world which is able to effectively treat the cause of your lower back pain. If you use the QRS regularly, you're going to see that the number of episodes that you have this pain attack, and also the intensity, it is going to reduce. Please keep watching. Lower back pain, there is many different causes for lower back pain, but the number one cause by far has to do with the weakening and the non-functioning of muscles responsible for ensuring functional spinal stability. And I'm talking about the core muscles. The most well-known and important core muscle is your pelvic floor muscle. Once those muscles start to weaken, and especially women suffer from this after pregnancy or after menopause, now your pelvic floor muscles and your other core muscles are no longer able to support the weight of your upper body. So now your spinal cord sinks in a little bit, and it results in lower back pain. For this weakening of pelvic floor muscles, QRS has a unique medical device called the QRS Pelvic Center, which has been proven to be the first and only system in the world, if you use the pelvic center, to automatically train the function, coordination and the strength of your pelvic floor muscles. In this video I do not want to talk about the QRS Pelvic Center, I want to talk about the QRS home therapy system, and I want to talk about another very important muscle from the core muscle. Core muscles consist of pelvic floor muscles, there's also the transversus abdominis, there is the diaphragm muscle, and very important, there's also on the back, surrounding your spinal cord, there is a thin, very small muscle, but a super important muscle called the multifidus, the multifidus muscle. The multifidus muscle, very few people have heard about it, and also very few doctors really understand the importance of this muscle. And one reason for that is that it's just a very small, thin muscle. It lies also quite deep, it surrounds the spinal cord, so it is not like a strong skeletal muscle that you can go to the gym and do some proper training to get more strength. This is a small muscle surrounding the spinal cord. But this small multifidus muscle, it has a very important function, and that function is to anticipate movement and to ensure spinal stability. Every movement that we make, your brain always sends a signal to those muscles involved, especially to this multifidus muscle, to be prepared and to ensure that your spinal cord stays stable at all times. So if you are at home and you want to pick up something from the floor, before you make that movement, your multifidus muscle is ensuring that your spinal cord is stable. Also, when I am at home and I'm playing with my little daughter, she throws a ball to me. I'm going to catch the ball, but before I make this strange movement, my multifidus muscle knows what is happening, and it makes sure my spinal cord is stable. Research shows that everyone with lower back pain, they have a non-functioning multifidus muscle, so that anticipation function is no longer functioning. So now you have this lower back pain, you go for massage physiotherapy. It helps to relieve the pain, it helps to relieve the symptoms of your lower back pain, but it does not treat the cause, the underlying cause, because the underlying cause is that that multifidus muscle is not functioning. So now after 2 days feeling good after the massage, or maybe 2 weeks, now you walk outside and you make a strange movement, you're going to pick up something, ow, and there is your back pain again, because your multifidus muscle is too late. Or now I'm playing with my daughter, she throws this ball to me, and I'm going to catch it, but there is my back pain again. So that is the reason this multifidus muscle and all the other core muscles, they are the main cause for lower back pain, and it is very difficult to treat that cause. So massage, it can help you, as I said, to relieve the symptoms, but that muscle lies very deep. You cannot really train that muscle. There's all kind of exercises that you can find on the internet to train core muscles, but it is really not so easy to train those core muscles yourself. The only real solution for treating the real cause of lower back pain, to make sure that that muscle starts functioning again, that multifidus muscle, is using the QRS therapy. You can either use the QRS home therapy system, whereby you connect this pillow applicator to your lower back and you do a couple of sessions with it. Already in the first session, I guarantee you, you're going to see some real pain relief without side effects. But the core objective of what I try to explain in this video is that what you want is that the number of pain episodes, it reduces, so that your pain doesn't come back every time. And for that you need to do a couple of therapies. Also you can use the QRS pelvis center, which is super effective in treating lower back pain. But then you have to go to like a doctor or a hospital environment. But using this QRS, why does it work in improving the function of this multifidus muscle? Because QRS, both the pelvis center and the home therapy system, they use pulsating magnetic stimulation. Very important word, it is magnetic stimulation, so it is not electrical stimulation, it's 100% safe. But with this magnetic stimulation, it penetrates also deep into your body. It's going to reach that multifidus muscle, and with this pulsating fields, positive, negative, there's going to be some like small contraction of this muscle and a relaxation of this muscle. Contraction, relaxation, contraction, relaxation. If you do this a couple of times, the function of your multifidus muscle is going to improve, which means now the pain does not only go down, but it stays down and it does not come easily back. Now you're walking outside, you make the strange movement and your multifidus muscle is working again, the back pain is gone for good. I hope you understand the video, the information in this video. There's also other videos on this channel about the same subject. Please see a link, I think it is there. I thank you for watching, and I hope you can subscribe to this channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. I am thankful.